What? Hey, yo. That is sus. Alright. Welcome to the stream. Um, yeah. I really don't know what to say, actually. Hold up. Forgot what to say. I'm selling. Right, I'm gonna put that on. Alright. So I was looking at the charts last night, and I was for 6, and where did it open? This was hold on. Get that out of here. Alright. Uh 18, which is 6 o'clock, I'm pretty sure. What? Yeah. No, yeah, 6. Oh, shoot. I missed it. That was 8 o'clock. Dang. I was like watching it. Okay. And I was like watching it. I was like, oh, it's selling. I'm gonna wait for overshoot. Overshoots. I didn't see this, but I saw it selling, so it looked like it was failing. All of a sudden, it shoots up 562, 200 points. Holy. It happens in a matter of uh, what would be 10? 9 minutes. That's crazy. All right, I gotta quickly set. Okay, these can actually go. All right, what do we got here? What does the daily look like? I don't know what the day candle was like yesterday. Okay, is that the same thing for this?
What's up, you guys?
Yeah. Okay. So
Welcome to the stream. How's it going?
I could try to. Who knows? Actually, I really can't really
Y'all miss me?
start guessing.
Miss y'all too. What's up? All right.
Alright, I gotta set up something. Okay. 2, 5, 6.
Typing up my things here in chat. You know how I normally do this. morning, you guys. All right.
All right, so I have not I did not make any trades yesterday. So the thing was, what happened was like I stopped streaming and I was going on to school and it hit bull zone and I missed it, but it didn't like shoot up to where I wanted to go. It looked like it shot up a bit and then died again.
So, it's kind of like
So like,
the government being shut down. It's kind of like going into a dark home that hasn't had the lights turned on in a month. There's cockroaches scurrying around, but the minute you turn the lights on, everybody looks around like, you know, let's get out of here. And the bears are the cockroaches in the particular scenario. The market's been crazy and volatile and selling off because of the lack of the good data continuously boosting the market up. That's been giving, we've been getting CPIs of
it looks like it filled yesterday.
and all kind of stuff that's just
You see, look, it hit the.
picture of the economy. So bulls have been having a field day.
Look at that.
Events come out. It's just a reason for markets to move. Without the news, the market just sort of like
Filled yesterday's low basically, so it came back.
Kind of like that night at the club. It's 2:05 in the morning. Club's closing down. The lights come on. You look at everyone and all these beautiful people that looked great when the lights were turned off. Look horrible when the lights turn on, and you're like, ugh. Well,
Okay, we got a lot of stuff at 12 o'clock today. Like, look at all that's stacked on just 12 o'clock. There's 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 things on 12.
Just experimenting a little bit. Just a temporary.
And at 1, we have a 3-star. 12, we have a 3-star. So 12 o'clock could go crazy with all this crap.
Indecision is going to be voted in favor of rate cuts. The votes still heavily lean into aggressive rate cuts, despite Powell's commentary saying, we're kind of on the fence about the December cut. It doesn't mean that they're on the fence about rate cuts. They're just on the fence is it December? The progression of rate cuts is down to 3% by next year. Whether it's December or January is kind of like splitting hairs. But I think the Fed is not just shifting their policy all of a sudden. All the members have been voting pretty steadily for the last year in the dot plots. So you haven't really seen a lot of members budging. People have had their plan like years ago, and they're kind of sticking to it. Nothing really happened between October and now to change the minds of a lot of people that have been pretty stubborn. I mean, watching the dot plot's been relatively stable, at least on the front of almost everybody thinks we need at least 3 rate cuts at 25 before next year. The debate is, do we need 3 or 5? And I think that's where the variance is. And the aggressiveness of 2025 is going to be 3 rate cuts, like one every. We got 2, but the idea was we'll get 1 more for the end of the year. And the question is, maybe not. Maybe it'll get pushed to January, February. So maybe they're staggering them out further. But I still think we get a couple more. Is that bullish or bearish? I think that in general, it's neither. I think Wall Street is looking for bull news, so they're going to perceive that as bullish. In general, rate cuts are not perceived as bearish, but the market's gone down in periods of rate cuts. The market's gone up periods of rate hikes. In between like 1998 and 2000, Greenspan was rapidly cutting rates, or rapidly raising rates. Sorry, right before the .com collapse, and markets still went up like crazy. So I think right now the greater kind of issues are what people are going to care about: tariffs, is AI in a bubble, quote unquote, and inflation, right, in the jobs market. I think right now everything looks sort of questionable, but not terrible just yet. I think that once we get through this year, next year is going to be pretty bullish. I feel it. No question. It got so many times with those dang lights. The person you're dancing with, the lights come on, you're like, oh, Yikes. All right, let's get out of here. Just kidding. All right, let's get ready to roll. We are breaking yellow line. Market is looking like it wants to come down. That's kind of an interesting start. I would say that, yeah. So I opened the night. Sorry, let me get my little screenshot here. I tweeted it if you guys are curious about the performance of the random trading account. I did tweet that last night. I also am like way up for the night because I took the opening. People were like joking in a Discord last night. They're like, "What the fuck? Is there a new pandemic out?" Matt shorting at the open. So I shorted at the open, took profit, shorted again right here, got squeezed, shorted again somewhere in here, woke up with money. So I basically went in a full circle and still made some cash. I currently am short in just one account still, and it is very light with 3 contracts. That's basically it. I've been shorting since night. Dude, I've been short. Yeah, hell yeah. So, I mean, like, it's rare, right, that I'll be seeing the markets coming down. But in all honesty, this is just technical at this point. The market is trying really hard to fight off the volatility, but it's still there. And therefore, we're probably going to go try to fill that gap that we created last week. I feel it. I don't know if you guys feel it. My intuition's been pretty on point. Somebody said yesterday, these last couple months. I don't know what that says about me or says about the market. Maybe the market's just been a little more predictable last couple months because it seems to be doing everything I wanted it to do. And today we've got red lines. Today we've got gap fills. I feel like, we've gapped up and run. We have not retraced this much of this. So again, the way the market usually likes to do this is it doesn't just fall straight down. It's not going to happen today without the VIX being kind of on the same ballpark. I think we just go down. Now, VIX is kind of in that same ballpark now. I think that what I'm looking for is for this to touch the half gap and run. It seems to be like a very obvious trade. We're seeing these supports like right here. Today might just be a big selling day. We did lose yellow line. Oh yeah, let's go. It's falling as we speak. I'll get those targets for you guys drawn up. 275 is that half gap for NASDAQ, and I think I drew it yesterday, but it's not there anymore. 275, we're going to mark it with a dashed white line. S&P is going to be at even further. 67.76, and there's some red lines in the way, but there you go. Holy crap, Matt is shorting. Somebody, Discord, they were like, a new pandemic we don't know about.
Sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to work on this rocket scooter video. Looks like the market is. It filled this from yesterday, and it looks like it's still selling.
So last time was pretty lucky. Like I literally just jumped in one of my accounts immediately 10 contracts. I was just MHP. Like the way we were selling off, I was like, yeah, we're gonna test MHP. And again, I was betting on the idea that we also do what I like to call, kind of like, let's have a name for this. We're sort of like spanning the range, but basically what it's trying to do is, we know that the government shutdown ending is going to be perceived as bullish. So what they do is they kind of like push price away from the expected move so that it contains the move. The example is if the market were to like move here, move here, move here. Let me start over, right? The market is trying to follow what the stock prices are, and the dealers know what the imbalances are. The dealers know ahead of time all inside information, whatever they need to know to like operate in this world. And so they have like a set point. The set point is, let's get futures to here by market open, right? And they allow some flexibility for markets to be there, but essentially the path is that it needs to go here. So if there's an event that's going to be really bullish and people are like, allowed to trade up into it, and then that bullish event, it's going to be like way off target of what, futures are trying to track the stocks. What you tend to see happening a lot of the time is before an expected event that is going to create a move up, is they sort of like bring the move down, such that when it goes up and then it retraces, it lands right back where you started, which is what we call a non-event. A non-event means that it's already priced in, is not really affecting the price. That makes sense, you guys, right? Anytime market's doing this and it rallies up on an event and then comes back down to here, keeps going, this is not because of the event. The event, if you return back to the original price, the event was already priced in. Because the efficient market hypothesis just states that all available information inside or not public, inside, whatever, uh, is effectively always traded in. So the market's never operating blindly. It's always priced in. So if the market is moving and doesn't return to the original price, then that event has reset the price. That event is causing the move. So it wasn't priced in. This actually surprised people. So whenever you make it back to where you started, the event's already priced in. Oh, the government shutdown ended. Well, yeah, we kind of knew it was going to happen. So this is a non-event. Now, this is people selling the news, of course, which is my thought. On that pop, I got big on the short, just like I told you guys. And I've been writing it down ever since. And that's most of this. And the idea is that, well, the market just needs to retrace that bull move and try to find some ground. And VIX is on the edge of triple B, which is, again, why I make that bet to short, because we are right on the edge of volatility. It's not bearish market, it's just volatile market. We have plenty of room to fall and still be bullish. Today might be that day. We'll see. Short to there, long from there, might be something like that. Do I sleep? Dude, I automate all this. I went out last night, had steak, sushi, fully automate this whole thing, man. I don't stay up and trade. I set a position, trade from my phone, set a stop. That's it. That's it. How do they know the event is going to be that bullish? Well, it's obvious, right? Because the market was bearish when the government did shut down. The government's no longer shut down. Now we have removed the floodgate, and now news is going to come through. GDPs and CPIs and PPIs and all these things are going to come through that we know are going to be bullish. So the market was just sort of like bearish because of the lack of good news. The market was just sort of like, somebody's taking little bits of profit, so we started kind of selling a little bit, but not really in bear territory, because we're not having good news, 2-3 times a week to like pop the market back up. We're sort of operating in the dark. So now that the government shutdown is over, the news is going to come through. It's not the shutdown being over that's particularly bullish. It's the idea that I believe that, well, we're not going to get any bear news coming out now that we got the reveal of all data coming through. Maybe it's going to come bullish. It's obvious there's no one in the market, yeah. I'm short right now on one account, yeah, with 3 contracts. That's it. That's it. I'm going to hold that all the way down to here. Other than that, I'm reserving all the rest of my accounts to short on pops as long as we stay below yellow line. This is 25.42 yellow line break, right? We've lost MHP, we lost yellow line. This is a big deal. So as this rejected yellow line, if we get back above here, then I'll obviously get out of the short. But the R&R on this is fantastic. This is 150 points a drop if we do get it. Let's roll the dice, you guys, for the random count challenge. I posted the P&L on Twitter. Let's go over some stats real quick. Some quickies. Let's check on some things. There we are. There's me, number 1. There's the stats. Like, throughout the day, sometimes it's like really hard for me to get Tradovate to run that report. It's like buggy. So sometimes, like in the morning, it works fine, but I try to run it in the day. Run it. This is the the random account challenge. Remember, like 5,000 of that was already traded before the challenge started. So anyway, this is the win rate on the account. Again, this is the challenge I'm doing right now. This is a $100,000 real money account. This is the account number, the net lick. I will show you guys the performance curve every single day with the stats. You guys can take a screenshot. You can look at this. I spent all morning photoshopping this, so make sure that you get it right, because it's the only time you're going to see it. And pretty good so far. The random account challenge is my most fun, interesting challenge I've done to date. The rules are pretty simple. I am forced to trade 1 E-mini at a time that ChatGPT chooses. I don't get to wait for A+ setup. ChatGPT is going to pick a time for me. And the rule is, in the first hour, I got to make a trade as well. The ChatGPT is about to select for me a moment that I have to make a trade. From 9:56 until 10:11. So 26 minutes after market opens, I'm going to be forced to trade. So let's remember 9:56 today. The rules are as follows. I have to trade at least one E-mini. When I'm in, I can average into that trade. We are at S&P MHP. It might be a good time for me to take profit on this short, at least for now. Maybe I should just hold through it. I don't know. What do y'all think? You know what? Let's see what happens. Little exhaustion candle there. All right, I'll pocket that. Okay, I took profit just to let the market open. I'll jump back in if I get it. Another one in a second. Okay. That already was a trim though. That's 3. I trimmed from 10. I was holding 3 as a runner. Me being a little wuss, I might miss out on it. That's okay. Let's let the market open and see what happens. We got 22 minutes till market opens. Okay. So the way it's going to work is ChatGPT is going to choose time for me. I have to trade at least. Where the heck did it go? At least one E-mini. When I'm in the trade, I can't exit until I take full stop loss. Full stop loss is 40 points NASDAQ, 10 points S&P. Unless VIX is above triple B or market's volatile, then I can use my largest 1 minute candle rule. And then initially when I get in a trade, I'll tell you my stop. I have to hold for full stop. I also have to hold for full profit, which means I have to get at least 1-to-1 trade. I can't just get in and get out. I have to trade at least one E-mini. I can't trade a micro. While I'm in the trade, I can trim, I can add to my leisure to move the cost basis around. And as soon as I pull the plug, the trade's over. I'm allowed to hold a runner. 100,000 real dollars of my money, risking to prove a point to all of you guys that 90% of you guys, before y'all met me, got scammed by somebody selling you some kind of charting garbage that hasn't made you money. I'm going to prove to you that I don't even get to use my A+ setups, and I'm going to make a ton of money. That's the rule. Or at least not blow up. If I make money, that'd be fantastic. Let me not lie to you. My goal is not to blow up. At least that's the easy goal, because I won't blow up. As a matter of fact, there's a 100% chance I won't blow up. And it might be weird that I can say that with such confidence, but that's confidence. I don't blow up accounts. I never will. I used to before I got good at trading, and since I got good at trading, I haven't blown up an account since. You only blow up if you allow yourself to blow up and you have no discipline whatsoever. I have perfect discipline. When I'm cleaning my gun, I never point it at my face. My face has never been blown off. Say guns are dangerous. You can accidentally shoot yourself. No, you don't. You never do, unless you're pointing the gun at yourself. So I never do that. It never happens. So my face is still here. I never blow up an account because I don't let myself do it. Blow-ups aren't liquidating, it's drawdown. Yeah, it's different when it comes down to prop accounts. It's a whole different story. But people go full tilt and they blow up their real accounts because they don't trade the right size and use the proper risk management. So this is an account that's going to support an idea of a book I want to write, which is basically how trading systems are a lie. Most of them are. That in reality, you do all this work using certain trading systems out there to actually lose money. Whereas I'm going to prove that without any system, I mean, I get to use little pieces of Rocket Scooter like Confluence and stuff, but to prove that the most important part of trading is position size, cost basis control, and risk management as far as stop loss management. That's really all you need to do to master to be good at trading. You can just flip a fucking coin and with great risk management, still maybe not lose money. And a lot of you guys lose money because you're trying too hard to trade with bad risk management. So with bad risk management, you're just accelerating your losses. And the goal is just to prove this. And I want to make a big statement to, all the gurus out there trying to train trading with their $10,000 mentorships and stuff. Is that this thing, I'm trying to do weird stuff these days to make me famous. Like this guy did this guy did that. He's changing how people think about day trading. That's kind of my goal. I want to create like a huge sort of wave of like enlightenment when it comes to traders. Everybody's focusing on the wrong, like the industry's gotten so weird with like course sellers and stuff that people, I've never seen a risk management trading course out there, which why when people take ours, they like literally say, this is the best thing I've ever taken. I'm like, well, in reality, Neo, the reason your eyes hurt is because it's the first time you've ever used them. Whoa. First time you've ever actually learned day trade. You might have taken 20 day trading courses, but mine was the only one that actually taught you a little bit of trading, because you never learn how to bet in the market. You just learn how to find opportunities on a chart, which is called charting. It's not really called trading. So people are like, dang, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen or done. It's because it's the first day trading class you actually really ever took, when you might have taken hundreds. But what you never knew before was that those weren't day trading classes, because people that are teaching them aren't really successful day traders. They don't know what to teach you. So my goal is to open everyone's eyes to the new thought process, which is the most important thing. And one of these days, I might even make the challenge harder. If this turns out to be too easy, which so far it's pretty fucking easy, it's just inching along. It's inching up, inching down. So we might have to make it tougher on me to maybe make the emotions go high. Maybe if I have to up the contract size to like 2 E-minis or 5 E-minis to really show what happens when shit hits the fan and all that. We might modify the rules to make it harder. But the goal is, the most important decision you make in trading is this right here. Quantity. This is everything in trading and poker and whatever. How much you bet based on the hand you have, based on the odds of which you have a success. You have to gauge all of that with your system. If your system is not telling you odds, these are the actual odds, by the way, then what are you even using to gauge your bet? Most of you guys don't even think about it. Oh, I just bet maybe 3 contracts every time, or 2 contracts every time. Every time? Oh, dear. You get a 2 and a 9, you're going to bet $1,000. Then you get a jack of spades and a queen of spades, you're also going to bet $1,000. That doesn't sound like how poker players play. You just do the same thing every time. Ooh. If your trading system is not producing odds of like a back test, right, then you have no confluence to manipulate those odds, right? Like this is under perfect all confluence, example here, 90% perfect confluence. I think it's like 74 non-perfect confluence. So if monthly res is less than 0, I'm going to use that number. If monthly res is greater than 0, I'm going to use that number. This number I'm going to bet really big. This number I'm going to bet medium. Right? This kind of judgment call you make when you play poker. Your odds are better, bet big. Odds are less good, bet small. And if you don't have something that gauges all of that, then you're basically just trading in the dark. And what we train people here to do is to learn how to use confluences to adjust your betting size, and also learn how to do a proper back test to know the odds of success of things that you're doing. What ticker did you put in a rocket scooter? So if you go down to click the chevron at the bottom of the platform to open up the menu, go to the RI/DD table, and all the tickers are listed for you. You type in it exactly like that. Discount on the Rock Scooter platform for spending $7K previously for a membership. Right now, the Rock Scooter lifetime is $2,500. With all the cool stuff we're ever going to do, ever going to make, it's $1,500 off for Black Friday, which started this week. And everything we ever make or do forever is yours in Boot Campus Street forever. If you do lifetime. You've been practicing your poker betting size? Hell yeah. I'm telling you, man, that's really the secret. And so many people are just like, I've never taken a day trading class like this before. It's boring. I've taken 10 years of trying to learn trading. I've never seen anything like this before. Part of that is a testament to, wow, Matt, your stuff is really good. But no. I don't want to take full credit for that. Most of that is a testament that somebody just sifted through 10 years of crap, which is what it is. Every day trading course or video I've ever seen people talk about or show, when I thumb through it briefly, it's a course on charting. Like, you can go to Twitter and just Google like ICT concepts, and all it is charting. And charting is like 10% of the game. Literally 10% of the game. It's the least important part of your trading. Watch. Let me prove y'all again. Not dogging you guys to use ICT concepts. But let me show you. Let me show you what I mean. Like, I'm just going to Google something. I'm going to Google the word ICT concepts because that's what you see a lot of. And let's just go down and see what the people are teaching, right? Like, nothing ever. Like, you can just scroll through this. Nothing in here is at all mentioned. I know you guys, I know everyone right now, you're like, oh God, what is this, right? Okay, but look at this. Look at all this explained simply, and there's like 6 paragraphs, and 0 of it is risk management, position sizing, nothing. Maybe 5R retest, that's the only thing it talks about. So you could just scroll down, and all of this, it's just charts. There's nothing about betting, nothing about position size, nothing about risk management. It's all like chasing pigeons with a clipboard. Look at this person. Look at this, right? 0. There's literally 0. And so just to prove a point that people are like teaching how to master trading, they're teaching you how to chart. And none of this is day trading. Like, you can go on and on and on and on and on, and you get all this fantastic stuff. Look at this. Something called ICT's turtle soup. Like, all right, well, you know, none of this
I'll be right back, guys.
trading mechanisms at all. How to bet, where to put your stop, how to size in, how to have confluence, how to adjust your bet based on volatility, nothing. And then there's just all kinds of people selling quote unquote education, but they're not really teaching you a lot. It's like if somebody were trying to teach you basketball and they were selling you a course on how to make the net for the basketball rim, and you're really taking a sewing course. But it's basketball. You look at there's a net and there's a rim, and you're like, this isn't going to help me dunk a ball. So the point I'm saying is that education, this might be the first time you guys ever learned about what risk management actually is, and that's what we teach, and that's what I'm going to practice with this challenge. I'm risking $100,000 of my own money just to prove a point. Do I use order flow? No, sir, Jay. We use gamma exposure tools and arbitrage tools. Rockseater only. Do I know any quant traders? What are my thoughts on them too? I'm not even sure what you mean by a quant trader. These like Hollywood terms for traders kind of like don't really mean much. Describe what you mean by like a quantitative trader, but like what do you consider to be the definition of that, I guess? He's asking if I have an Asian trader. That Big Short. See this guy? His name is Zhang. He's my quant. He won a math tournament in China. Just see my post yesterday. Michael Berry's small short. CNBC said he shorted $912 million worth of Nvidia and Palantir. It really was 9 million. It's like a really small short. The small short. Big Short Part 2, the smaller short. And by the way, he's shutting down Cyan Capital, but they're moving their funds to like a smaller firm or something. ICT is good to look at sometimes. Well, any charting is good to look at. Like not knocking it, but that's not trading, right? This is why I tell people, is people that are like, I've been learning stuff for years, but this is the first time I ever thought I learned anything. And people are like, man, Matt, I made $100,000 of payouts since I took your boot camp, which was somebody yesterday. And I'm like, I'm probably the first person that ever showed you how to manage your position size, which is just basic, to me, is basic trading concepts that people are never taught, because people that teach the charting concepts aren't professional traders. They're not any good at trading. They don't know how to do it. That's why they're not good at trading. So for me, teaching you guys how to manage position is the most basic part of trading, but it's so effective. Right out the door, people leave the boot camp and they're like blown away by how helpful it actually was to their trading. And I'm like, I'm the first person that showed you something. ICT works, man. People don't understand. Look at this guy. ICT works, man. And you got people in chat that say stuff like this. Bro, ICT works, man. Not even fucking listening to a word I said. I feel like you guys have cotton in your ears. I didn't say it doesn't work. I said that... I'm not even gonna comment on what you said. You just say anything like that and you get these people fucking, oh, it works. I didn't say it didn't work. Jesus Christ. I said it's not trading, it's charting. That's the point. ICT works, man. All of them, man, people get so defensive. Not saying it doesn't work. You don't even need it. I'm randomly trading and this works. You don't even need anything to work. That's the point of me giving the speech, is talking about my random trading contest. You don't need anything at all. Nothing works. Everything works. All in between. It all works. It all doesn't work. Not the point. I don't care if it works or doesn't. It doesn't make you money, though. Nothing does, except for this. Position size management. That's where the real juice is in trading. I'm saying the people that teach ICT, I just showed you an example. I just pulled something random, not picking on that one style. Nobody that teaches it mentions position sizing, risk management, cost basis management, stop loss management, nothing. That's what trading is. Trading is betting. Betting. Trading is how you bet. It's not what the chart says. That's just helping you enter a trade. Okay. Enter a trade, that's one part of it. It's one part of it. And that might work for that part. But where do you exit? Where do you stop? Where do you add? How big is your first trade? Where's your second trade, third trade? Where do you pull the plug? Where's your profit target? What are the odds of success of that particular trade? How do you gauge confluence on that particular trade to adjust your position size? How do you adjust for volatility? Things like that. That's the other 90%, which is what I call trading skills. The first one, yeah, charting skills. Entry skills, cool. Anything works in trading skills. You can randomly trade.
Sorry about that, guys.
You don't even need ICT. You don't need anything.
I'm back.
And making money. So
I've been so quiet. I'm trying to work on this video.
It works. It doesn't work. That doesn't.
But I'll stop and start yapping.
Level size is how you manage the money.
All right.
And that's the whole point of the concept.
So again, there's not much. There's a lot going on at 12 for the news. It's gonna be possibly very volatile. Could create one of those exhaust scandals too. Who knows?
Why should we listen to you instead of the gurus online? What proof do I personally have that I'm better? I'm not a hater, just curious. Good question, right? As somebody that requires proof, I like that. Proof is really good. The only thing I can tell you
Looks like this could have been because of DD band,
exactly
possibly.
With this account and then gauge for yourself. If that's enough proof for
but it was like so early.
Feel free to stick around and see it. I love that question because I think it's appropriate to ask that kind of question. So Brian, just FYI, if you want some accolades to kind of maybe explain like where I'm coming from. So I've been trading 15 years. This year, I've traded in 2 trading competitions and got first place in both of them. This year, my entire team, which is all the people in the stream, is 3rd place in the Global Tradeify Grand Cup competition against every major guru out there that got invited to this. All of their traders are lumped together. We're 3rd place in the world. We've been pretty steady with that. So it means that I do okay. Not going to take so much credit, but I do okay. And it means the people that I train do okay. At least consistent, right? So that's some helpfulness. I've gone live with 3 prop firms, which is really hard to do. I've taken about $500,000, quote unquote, or $500,000 in prop payouts this year. And I decided to do something stupid and random.
All right, the markets aren't even open, so I can't even see what it looked like.
$100,000 into the account where I won't cry if I blow it up. And when I can say something like something small, that's because I have a whole lot of money from trading. So if that's my accolades for my resume so far, take it or leave it. But stick around and watch the stream. If you can't watch it all the time, just let other people give their testimonials. And I think that's the most important part. I talked about that yesterday. Just let people who've gone through it tell you their experience and let them know. My take is that you shouldn't trust anybody. You're 100% right without proof. And I think that's wonderful that you're asking. Super important to do so.
Oof.
absolutely like what I want you guys to do when it comes to anybody trying to sell you anything. I think that's appropriate. It's what you're supposed to do. And so the accomplishments shouldn't really tell you much, but you ask for them. In reality, the most important thing that I think I do is explain what I'm doing while I'm doing it, and then you can kind of gauge expertise or lack thereof by just watching me do something and seeing if what I tell you I'm going to do, how I execute it, and how well it works or doesn't work. You can see it for yourself. So that's kind of the point of the contest. The point of the contest is just to emphasize in a really elaborate way that risk management is very important. And this is purely a risk management trading competition that I'm giving myself.
We are very close to DD band, which it could be when the market opens, it could depending on if DD band res is good, be a quick bounce. Depending, but usually the first 5 minutes of the openings of New York session are like the most volatile out of the whole day, basically. It could sell,
I would say in general,
or it could, but look, it could sell or it could go up. But I think it's more of a sell. Who knows?
RSI works.
Well, I really don't know.
Flags work. They all work. Opening range breakout works. They all
All right, 1 minute till open. Maybe it could like, okay, bruh.
All right, we open in 1 minute, guys.
Could go like this. Go like this.
I took the short trade overnight. I just closed out. The random trading challenge commences at 9:56. I'm forced to make a trade. Then I've closed out all my shorts right here because we are at lower monthly hedge pressure. My actual targets, if today is a big sell,
what in the world? Lower monthly hedge pressure.
That's kind of what I'm looking at.
Bro, what? That's
no. Yeah.
4-2. Okay, so supposedly this is lower monthly hedge.
Farina's our mod with an iron fist. She has 3 iron fists. She's good peeps to know, though. The mods aren't rude. They're just direct. They're like me.
6-8, 3-6.
People misunderstand me till they get to know me.
All right, markets are open. And wow, all right, this could reverse. Just be careful.
I'm like 2 toes onto the fucking Asperger's.
So for the liquidity maps to load in.
Skills to like throw a party and blend in with society. But dude, I'm kind of like direct and weird, and I just say it like it is, and I don't know I'm offending you when I'm offending you. I was just born that way. So sometimes I might seem like I'm just like a dickhead. Like I'm like 2 parts out of 10 Elon, just direct weirdness. Say it like it is.
Yeah, look at that. Try going up, and then it just failed.
But social enough to like.
Oh, come on, liquidity maps, load in. I want to see what we're doing.
And blend in with society. Sometimes I'm just too direct for my own good, and I feel like I'm just giving people the information.
All right.
Can't say that.
Wait, we have Baron HP, so trade would be here to there. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's one of them.
We got lower DD band coming up here. We've got resilience is negative across the board as expected. Half gap.
Res is negative.
Oh boy.
DD band is positive 0.63, so that is a trade. But liquidity maps still haven't loaded in.
But this is going to be a sell-off day. We are going to.
Hello. Why won't my
Here is EST liquidity pocket every single time. S&P. Let's see if we can't
load my liquidity map, please?
We get all the good setups. Resilience is actually positive S&P. Okay. Let's try something here.
All right, it will not. Will not load. Oh, there we go. All right, so.
All right, grab an EST S&P bear zone top DD ratio 0.7. Good enough with positive res to
order fill.
Rally from here.
Taking a trade here. from bear to bull. Small trade. I did get really
Let's see if
late
that
though.
resilience holds.
Very late.
That'd be really fucking nice.
I just put that back.
Liquidity pockets. I take bears on top, bulls on bottom every time with the proper confluence. It is trying to sell hard, but at minimum to bull's end would be nice. At a half gap would be nice. We are below yellow lines, so this is going to have a lot of selling pressure. But we do have 92% hold here.
All right.
We have
All right. So look, the queen maps load in. Literally just bear to bull. That's like all the trades.
It's going to be a huge choppy fight on the way down. So
It's all just gonna be bear. So market comes. Change my mark. Market comes down. That does that, or it could hit bear an HP to bear, which is another trade. Right now I am holding. What to say? Wait.
Order filled.
Positive res. If we break, then we bounce, then we fill the gap.
Oh my word! Wait, did I just do it? I just messed up again. That was Nasdaq. Oh my word, bro. I was trading this. Okay, why is it switched?
As long as this white line is positive, Nasdaq, hopefully that one's positive. Positive res is moved to there. And to there on res. In pocket, it's not a straight shot since we open in the pocket.
Wow, okay, bro. These stupid things. Why don't they just tell me?
There's a trade. Number one. Number two is if it breaks through, it comes down to there. Number three is from there to there is a trade.
All right. Well, so shucks.
This is a normal trade. So
now I could wait for it to see if it can come down again. Take another trade there. All right, I'll take another. I'll take trade. This is S&P. Okay, so I am doing light. One is one contract. Res is still good on S&P. Everything's looking good. This is all good confirmation. And if we're wrong, or if I'm wrong from the right place. So, all right, looks. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. All right, it could be an overshoot. It's fine. That usually happens.
Around the edge. If it bounces here, that's the trade I'm looking for. If we lose this with a 10-point stop, pretty simple. That is the allowed volatility here. I won't be doing anything. So if it doesn't bounce here, we're going to sell off really hard today. So keep your eyes peeled on that one. 42 down to 32 is about where that stop will be, and losing liquidity pocket will be kind of scary.
Yeah, I'm taking a small, so it's like only, it's probably be like $50 loss, so whatever. I don't care.
If we lose that, then market's going to definitely sell off. Resilience is good enough though for hopefully this.
I just move that there. Yeah.
If it does sell off a little bit,
Resilience is positive on S&P, but like it's like ugh.
If we reclaim 68.42, it's a long. Until then, there is no long entries down in here. On reclaim.
Come on.
It's a little bit of a sell the news event because of the
Holy cow.
The House voting in the bill to open the government back up, as expected. %of days close above green, only 8% close down here.
Still holding. Nasdaq did hit HP. Whoa, why is it? Yo, you seen this? It changes the liquidity maps for each one. Is that bugging? I will take, if it does shoot up here, I will take another trade. Another for a reclaim on the 6842. Could scale this thing. This is a bull zone tap, I think.
Right on bear zone top. Be careful, this isn't the crash day today, so only attempt to long will be here.
All right, looks like it's failing. I could scale and add another contract here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna buy another contract here just to.
Right here, there is no long play down in here, and right here below this, there is no long play either, except for the half gap support.
So if it fails,
So my first thought is this to there.
I really can't figure out where my stop would be.
If it rejects, it falls to there.
But it looks like it's signed, so I should probably just.
To take a DD band play. Maybe to short side, we'll see. My suspicion last night was we were going to flush down to half gap, so I still take the scalps on the way down.
All right, so it looks like it's failing it. They're gonna fail it. It looks like it's you can see NQ and ES. So moving there. Still holding one contract here, one contract here. Stop would probably be like around here if it fails.
Random trading trading time at 9:56. So I've got
It looks like it's trying to.
So I got to do something. Freaking yellow usually is a really nasty selling point, so be very careful down here.
All right, Matt's saying that this could be a high resistance selling point. So, what do I do? I feel like I should just get out. This is sketchy. Yeah, look at that. That's messed up. Yeah.
Market's irrational, small trades only.
All right, I'm gonna scale one down. Go sell one.
Order filled.
So on the random
All right, time to.
trading challenge, I might be forced to short on pops.
Yeah, it's selling. So.
Down in here. That'll be what I'll be forced to probably do.
Down to one contract, about to get out.
Big old sell-off date. Easy to see that. Half gap coming right up, right down in here.
Still holding.
Nice and tidy on that.
Looks like it's trying to, but because you have this yellow line here and this red line here, which is high resistance or support, it looks like the support failed. It's like only resistant.
Green.
Still have one contract. If it does get past this yellow line, I will take another trade here. But this looks so sketchy.
EST every single time. Even when irrational, man, I'm gonna take the bet.
Okay. Okay.
The way that it's selling off, though, I have the most amount of faith in this. But we're gonna have the flush. It's probably gonna flush and reclaim. So this is what I'm thinking. Flush. Yeah, this is what I think.
All right. Still holding. I have like no. Yeah, I'm gonna get out.
Order filled.
All right. Ugh, that was bad. Oh well. Another trade setup is DD band right now. DD band is a above 0.5, so that's another trade up to next
Oh.
zone,
Man, I'm such a
which
sucker for buying like stuff off Instagram.
is I think HP or possibly SPY open.
I get beat.
Trade is MHP, but
Whole ass egg.
it's negative. For some reason,
Eggs, ass eggs. Kind of, well, not really ass eggs.
looks like Matt drew a line here for another half gap. I'm gonna quickly just copy that.
Eggs don't come out of their ass, but they come out of their back posterior. What's up, boy? What's up, dude? Oh, okay. What are we gonna do? Okay.
All right, looks like it's going down to D-band. Another trade opportunity here.
Let me zoom in and draw on the other two events. We're not gonna get the reclaim trade just yet. That'll be later. The one now, lower DD band is always a play.
This is in the wrong spot.
There. And let me scoot this up a little bit so we can see this.
Oh, it is. Okay, never mind.
My random long trade is gonna have to be long off of this. So here to there, if we reclaim there to there, and then it's sort of random from there.
Looks like ES coming down to DD band, lower DD band. Still good take. Looks like it is going down a bit.
Bounce here, up to there, back down to there. I think this is what the setup's gonna look like today. Hit this and overshoot like that. What a beautiful little bounce there. What AI program do I use? People use Suno to make that music.
I want to see how this is gonna react to this half gap. Oh, holy cow. That was a fast. Should I gun in? I'll try one.
Order filled.
Let overshoot, DD band, S&P tapped.
This could overshoot. DD band has not hit yet.
Alright,
Still holding.
Here.
Hold bot around here. This could overshoot.
Just to scalp it back up off that hold.
The DD band's coming up.
I have a big fuck you candle in a second, so we're gonna be a little cautious here.
17.
I kind of want the market to die today, though. I don't know. What do y'all think? So here, my big account, I was just in like 3 and I closed down. And then now I'm entering.
Another good day to short.
Now I'm tapping it with some evals.
This week has been like cheeks.
Risky, which is how I'm just doing evals.
This could be the V, possibly? Nah, small scalp up to here. And then, what is the line? The liquidity map say? So it's saying
So perfect on half cap.
you open to AMHP to HP, high treasure. But if we open below, this is all if we open below. We didn't open below. This one for ES. I don't know why they're different. This is confusing. But MHP bounce, but looks like it's bounced off DD band, so which it did. Just to HP. Usually,
with resilience positive on the S&P, then that'll be pretty nice. Let's double check Nvidia because I know that shit just sells off when Nvidia sells off. So stupid. Apple's alright.
remember, it could overshoot. Possibly, Matt said. Resilience is negative on NQ, which is not really a good sign. ES is positive, but it's very low. I forgot I gotta set up something. Shoot.
My internet down? Huh? Secure connection failed. What the hell? Close that down and try that again. Like the spider website is down. Well,
Oh. Still holding. HP.
on the screen. DD ratio is pretty good. Let's double check monthly maps over here.
254.
Oh yeah.
That one.
Very good and bullish. Nothing bad there. Nasdaq kind of sucks though. We have to get above 368 for the bigger bear zone. If this is bear market, we're gonna lose 368. Greater bull, you want to jump into the liquidity pocket on the bigger term. We need to make our way kind of like above here today to rescue this market. So QQQ as usual in a shitty spot with Nasdaq looking worse than the S&P. Tech's getting a lot of heat today. We have VIX kind of on the problematic side of a contango midpoint. So the market's about to speed up its volatility and VVIX is 106. This is not
Still holding.
It's going to whipsaw around all over the place. But, you know.
4, 2. 6.
I feel like catching knives today.
6, 8. 4, 2. What was there? 2. Yeah. Full zone is 5. Yeah.
Minute hard
All right.
skip the beat. Look kind of neat. Man, this selling pressure is heavy. I can feel in the order flow. Bro, let's go. Should have waited for the MHP.
It could possibly do a small reverse because
I gotta make a trade in 5 minutes. Oh, maybe I'll be at liquidity pocket in 5 minutes. That'd be great. S&P resilience is good. That's good to reclaim all of this, man. Holy shit. Let's reclaim all the way to the top would be nice. But I don't know if it's going to. That's the tough part. This is bad. This is bad below 36. So just keep in mind. Bad.
needs to break this. There you go.
We need to get above it.
Order
All right, I'm getting out. Nice. So,
It whispered lies. Twitter told me
guess what? I'm up.
I grabbed 10 contracts. Yeah, good shit.
I'm up 35 cents.
$1,000 in one of my world record accounts, and I just closed that shit. Let it reclaim. I'll trade it one more time. ESC every single time right now. I had one casualty. Flatten everything out just there on that trade. I'm going to let it reset. EST every single time. I can jump in on this trade right here, but we are below DD band, so I'm going to have to trade it very small. EST NASDAQ. I am contemplating how I'm going to do this. I try to just be holding on. I usually only take the next pivot. I'm going to let it wait, let it touch, try one more time. Let's let it tap. This is EST. Back above here to here. Actually, that should probably...
Matt's saying this is, oh yeah, this is right. EST saying bear to bull, so let that tap.
EST, yes, but interrupt in the way. It's bad if below, so I took what I can get, and I'm out. I'm out. Technically speaking, I can bet that it breaks. I want to get back above the yellow, and then I'll trust this. So what I'm doing right now is the idea that by proxy, we are right here. So I fully flatten everything out. I don't want to take the EST here because we've got this in the way. That's a huge, strong resistance pivot. So let's be safe. I'm going to be safe today and let it reclaim and go. 4 minutes left. I know, dude, I got to make a trade. I don't know what I want to do. I guess I'll take the long. That's the opportunity there. I don't know, man.
I'm sitting out right now.
Ugh. Faster. Man, I love that song.
Thing is, what Matt said from like these very high resistance right here. So if it broke this, I'd be fine. But it might be stuck around here.
So I would have held on if we didn't have the stupid yellow line on the way. I could just back hold one contract to the long side and just hold it up. God, man. I would have to short this, man.
The market could consolidate around here for a bit. It's also affecting the NAS. If it could, okay, whoa, all right. It looks like it's trying to break, which is good. But we need this to break. If this breaks, take reclaim right up to bull. Also for this, bounce. If it gets past the yellow line.
Let's take it. Oh, God. All right. I got to take a bet. I know I hate doing this bet right here, though.
All right. Looks like it's hit the yellow line. This is gonna be a struggle here for the Bulls. Res is positive on ES, but it's very low. It's only at 9. NASDAQ is -3. Look,
I don't
it hit DD
like
ban.
that trade though.
Hit DD
Still
ban.
blinding here. I should take a loss here today.
It's pause. It's above 0.5, but because of this yellow line, it affects. Thank you. Remember, Matt said high resistance point, so it's gonna be a big, strong sell candle. But it's trying to fight. It's trying to fill a morning.
This is risky from here to take the EST bet with S&P below. Like, we have strong resistance right here.
Oh, Matt's saying you can take if it breaks. You got a retest here. I didn't know that.
I love this song so much. We kind of have a sluggish little spot right here. I got a few announcements, by the way. Hold on 1 second here.
Yeah, look, it tried at 9:39, and it tried again. So this is like very high. It looks like it's slowly, but like once you get here, it'll just like, yeah, this is hard. And yes, yes copies. I mean, NQ copies. Yes, I'm pretty sure. Is it? I think either it's that way. No, I think it's yes, because you could see resistance comes. It does the same thing. It's the same effect. All right, this very strong bull candle. Could this be it? He's like gonna hit. Yeah. You see. Ugh, man.
To be on my playlist. I listen to this song like 1,000 times a week.
Look at that. That's crazy. It's gonna consolidate here for so long. Who knows how long it's gonna. It could either shoot up or sell.
It's going to be very violent from here. That's the one problem. Yeah.
Just needs to break yellow
What kind
line.
of computer did you get, Slump? Draw a whoosh fan, please. As much as I want to, man, I honestly feel like this is going to sell off. I still feel it, but we'll see. The volatility is going to pick up from here like crazy. We want a little bit of whoosh fan, but it's tough. I'm fully flat in all my fund and X accounts. I haven't touched them. I'm in the trade. I'm forced to enter, which kind of sucks. I'm going to hold through the chop and volatility here and just take a stop if I take it. There's nothing else I can do. The random trade challenge is making me trade at 956. So, random selection. The opportunity is to the upside, which is the only reason I'm taking it. The name of the song, Unmasking Smart Money. So it's bad
Mike.
below yellow line. It's
All right,
really bad
so
below. This can cause some
you
really
could just
nastiness, and if you hold through it,
DD is positive. Could
one stop loss I could take, which would be 40 points.
come down. Hit again. Another trade.
I'm going to
The scalps probably.
if That was pretty on point. Now I'm forced to take a second trade. In reality, I would rather wait for this reclaim. So I pretty much nailed the trades today, which is good. But the random trade is forcing me in a spot I would never be trading at that easily. I would never long into such a tight resistance. I would wait for the reclaim. So the goal is today is I would rather wait for that, which is why I'm not adding to the position just yet. I'm going to hold through some of this drawdown. So the random trading challenge forces me to make a trade at a random time ChatGPT chooses, so I can use my best guess of anything. The market's volatile. We will experience a lot of volatility. If we close below 275, this market's collapsing. NASDAQ needs to reclaim this 368 level by tomorrow, or we've turned into a bear market, at least on the monthly MAVs.
Oh, man. I think this is like the week or possibly multiple weeks of bears just selling because like we had months and months of bullishness. Look at that. It just wants to sell now.
So this one, I'm going to have to see what I'm going to do on this one.
Monthly maps. I really don't know how to like say much about it.
Not the big fan of this trade. I know the random trading challenge today is not delivering a good one.
But it looks like it fails this liquidity pocket for.
My only option was the EST long. So today I am going to
Like nothing.
cross
Nothing
my
really.
fingers. You guys have written some pretty good songs. Let's listen to some of the newer ones.
All right, looks like it might come back down for DD.
It's still kind of fighting here. I'm going to bet that we don't turn bearish in this market. This was just the low test.
Res is still positive.
That's interesting. Oh, it's only a minute long. Oh, I was actually liking it. Okay, so we have some rip and tear, drop the beat. I want to be banned by Simon Dean. Is he? All right, guys, quickly, some announcements. Don't piss off Simon Dean. He'll ban you. So today...
All right, looks like it's going to try again.
ETF's having a Beat the Beast competition, as they like to do every once in a while. Beat the Beast is actually... Let me get the info for it.
All right, let's see if they can. Let's try again. Probably gonna fail again because it looks like it's already struggling. Face feels cold here.
Try to get more info about it. I tweeted about it. Let me check really quick. So you get up to 3 free 10K statics if you double your profit target on a 25K beginner static eval, which right now it's 65% off at ETF. So 65% off ETF statics, which is a really great deal. Anytime those are more than like 50% off, statics are a fantastic choice. They're the easiest prop accounts to pass compared to like trailing drawdowns or end of the day drawdowns. To beat the beast, they'll give you a bunch of prizes. If you get half your profit target on a 25K, code Rocket Scooter gives you 65% off. They'll give you free 10K static, 3 of them. You can earn up to 3 if you double your profit target. To go to the Discord for more info about that. And don't get banned by Simon Dean on the way out.
All right.
Has a 40% off flash sale going on right now for the.
Looks like it is trying. Oh, it broke. Is it gonna hold?
Daily payouts now for your Flex add-on for scale.
Gonna hold?
Futures, you get daily payouts. They've modified the scale plan.
Oh my word! Finally.
Trailing drawdown for the daily payouts. Look at that! I held through it. Apex
Finally.
Off, oh my
Please hold.
Gosh. Oh my gosh. Res positive on both. Let's hold it. Wait for the reclaim. That's pretty sexy. The random challenge paying out again.
All right.
Can I send the link to the website? My website? And don't get banned by Simon Dean because he rules with an iron fist. All of our mods are going to get songs. Farina has one. Simon Dean has one. Let's go. That's the link to our website. There's also a part 2. I like how it sounds like a college fight song. We have reclaimed here. Now we're about to go EST S&P. I don't know if that is my 40 points.
Do we take reclaim?
Should I hold through it? Let's just hold through it. What's the blue line on Nasdaq say? Oh, it's overlapping. All it tells you is that if it's support or resistance. Right now, it does say it's resistance, but it's overlapping with the
All right. Matt's saying take reclaim on retest, and there's also reclaim chance, which I will take. There's also one on DD band too, but I'm gonna take one on ES because I'm down to like 100 on it. So. DD is positive. Take a trade there. I'm gonna just see if I can take one on ES. I mean MES. I'm trading MES.
Friday, cool. So our developers are gonna complete the drawing templates by Friday. So saving your drawing templates would be really nice. I guess I'll just hold through it. I don't know. We did reclaim, which is good.
This is positive.
We did reclaim, which is good.
I want to take this reclaim though.
Like, add to it.
I want to see if I take one. Okay, take one here and then take one up there. Bull. I think.
Unmasking smart money, shining true and bright.
Just take bear to bull. And this, I have no clue.
My question is, should I take it bigger in some of my other?
I have no clue where to take that one, but I know where to take bear.
On the reclaim test of DD band, let me scoot this down a little bit. So we can see the new play. 2% of days will hold above that green line.
All right, I'm taking.
Classic. 92% of days.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take one trade.
8% below.
Maybe around here.
Hopefully through here, and again we have
just
nothing but
just a bull, just a bull.
Positive res. This can go all the way back up to the top, which is good. I probably should do 3 instead of 2. I like the odds here, but again, risky, and I'll lose, you know, a standard 40-point fair down below in the bear zone if I'm wrong. Up 2,000, let's go. This is pretty textbook stuff. This one is.
Yeah, this is volatile.
Setup is easy. I mean, like like it's just a pretty straightforward DD band long EST bounce. All the way up to here. Now I'm at 3,000. Let's go. Where's the songs though? Hold on. Where's the song submission channel? Simon Dean was like, "Where is my song?" And he got 2 of them. All right, so this is the wait for reclaim. That was this earlier.
I'm gonna add
Order filled.
Positive res. It's gonna go all the way up to the top to fill the gap. Hopefully.
2 contracts.
Let's God, I just want to put some balance into this, man. Do I want to hit this with like 10? Let's add some Nastics here in one of my Funda necks on the hold. Okay, I got in one of my Funda necks. I added two big accounts
Just bull.
contracts.
If I can get that, it'd be amazing.
All right. So yeah, liquidity pocket from here to here leases the trade. The question is, do I just hold through it because res is positive to fill the gap? Bro, this might be the best fucking trade of the day. A gap fill on this? Are you kidding me? Oh, that'd be fantastic.
Still holding. Looks like this is a resistance.
Random trade. Luckily, I got the liquidity pocket off of that.
I open resistant. What happened? Let me make my money back.
Pass in 10 days or fail. So that's one of their products is called Fast Track. So the thing is it's cheaper, but they put a stopwatch on it. So it's cheaper, but if you don't beat the clock,
Did it? Rockets here to break?
then you fail. So the goal is like with the stopwatch, you just have to kind of take the whole
That was weird.
that whole thing into consideration. It's called the Fast Track. That's a good song. Sir Darb has a hedge pressure highway. Let's check it out. Do we fill the gap? If we reclaim 491, we got an RB set up. Should be great. 625 Nasdaq, 76 S&P.
Res is still good. Still holding. I'm gonna hold a bull.
Here for like an hour in the liquidity pocket, but we'll see.
But it looks like my rocket shooter is like bugging. Reconnect. Fun.
Let's see if we can't rally this all the way up to highs today and tomorrow.
Look at that. That's so weird.
London highs become? Yeah, I think so.
All right, come on. Let's go to bull. Let's go to bull. Let's go to bull.
I think the first
Be amazing.
resistance will be when it taps half gap in a second. It's gonna do this and then go. Dude, we're like just fucking reading this like a book. $5,000. I'll take 5%. Let me trim down the one contract on that. Let a runner ride. That's pretty good.
Still holding, but like, bro, what was that?
Ooh, baby.
Okay, bro.
Everything works out. Drop the 3 down to 1.
Still holding. I don't know what in the world. Are you serious?
Where are the haters now? There aren't that many.
Could do a retest.
When you're great at trading, you don't get a lot of them.
Could take another trade. Res is still good.
It's hard to,
This is confusing.
it's hard to find something bad to
Could be because of
You can just watch it. There's that tap. Glad I took
Another
a risk
tap.
there. Second entry.
Order filled.
Taking another contract on the seller on the seller spot. This could fail. Fill that candle. Six, eight. Basically doing a 1-to-1. My stop was like under here on the move. Okay, bro. What keeps happening to Rocket Scooter? No, it's just probably my end. It just breaks.
It's gonna be a little volatile now, so don't sleep on this. I'm gonna hold through the chop. That's why I trimmed down to a runner.
All right, I'm gonna get rid of one.
Order filled.
Just gonna leave two running.
That's a good song.
This is. I missed. I probably should have got out here. Take profit. But I'm still gonna hold. Okay, bro. Why does this keep happening?
This is Mike's song. Tap my A plus. That's what it's doing right now. Tap my A plus.
Okay, what is? I see my dad trading through Rocket Scooter. No, I got time for this thing to be lacking.
Right, res has dropped below 0 though.
All right, res is negative now.
Selling pressure there. This
All
is-
right, should I just get out and wait?
This is not that good from here. Let's close my runner.
I'm just gonna get out.
Order filled.
Or hold through it. Dynamics have just shifted, you guys, so be very careful.
Res is negative. I just got out. I'm gonna wait. Maybe it could come down here. Man, I really missed out.
Confluence we kind of needed.
Need a band tap, but it is sinking straight through it.
Let trim down to a runner there just to hang on, see what happens.
Oh my word, bro.
That was an interesting song. Let's get it. Can we get the same thing again? Res is dying on Nasdaq again. Oh, no good. No good.
Bro. Right, looks like ES might hit this yellow line, but res is negative. They're both negative. So, wow, I really should have just gone out. Well.
Reclaim one more time would be kind of nice. Yeah, so the white line went below 0, so that was all the power that we needed to get that same setup. Let me erase this because that's possibly not going to happen anymore. That was a definite change up. So let's just see. We're flip-flopping. It's not that bad, and I'm still hanging on, but we'll see what we get out of this one. I was a little excited.
Seeing what happens.
Do I have a nose-picking song? I was really excited about seeing this recover. A nose-picking song.
Alright, looks like it might come up for reclaim. Res is negative, but it's like very small.
One more time. This is the Nasdaq's bear zone top on the monthly map here.
One tap on NQ. Res negative though. Right from bear to bull.
How bad is res? It's not that bad in S&P. It's just bad in Nasdaq.
I have to look through this, bro.
A little bit of selling pressure here. God, if we lose DD ban and we sell off today, that'd be kind of tragic. But I'm adding to my position, so we should be all right.
Seeing what happens on ES.
Here, I'll risk it and do a little bit heavier.
My thing is broken right now, so I'm looking at match stream.
Just maybe have a smaller position there. Conditions are better again, so that's good. Let's see what happens.
Res is positive on both. Very good.
Not investment advice. For real. You get lucky, get that second trade twice would be nice. You got two really strong pivots here, so I'm not letting the red candles scare me.
Looks like it's not getting much support from here. Man, I've really messed up on ES. And we're below yellow again. Yay!
Flopping on res there. Let's see what's going on. Let's try to find out what's going on down here. Nvidia just tanking. That's a big part of it. Apple right on the edge. That's what's really causing this. Amazon's good. Microsoft good. Meta good-ish. Apple on the edge here. Man, this sucks. Fucking Nvidia, dude. Every single day. Last 2 weeks, Nvidia's just been like shitting the bed, man. No matter how much rotation happens, Nvidia's just been like calling the shots. We just got a flip-flop as well on VIX, so this is trying to turning bad again. I was excited to see this create like a bigger V up, but I don't know, man. This is starting to scare me a little bit. Conditions just flip-flop to possible crash day again. We're sitting literally on the edge. Nasdaq needs to hold this area by today, or the structure's flipped. And
Another
VIX
spot
seems to
on
bounce back very quickly right
bull.
now. We can see that the VIX
Res
is
is negative though.
above our key levels. I'm going to still bet on the structure. So let's bet that we're not flipping to bear market. Or I'm going to bet. Y'all can, I think some of you guys are shorting, so y'all are totally welcome to take my money from me if the long side doesn't pan out. EST long, hopefully get it. A little over response to some Nvidia selling, that's it. Take a look at the sector tracker up again.
I want to take another trade on S&P, but like it looks like the only spot is DD band, or unless it reclaims again a bear.
A lot of red today. Man, was so excited to see this be a support pivot. I don't want to see a bear market. We can't we can't lose 360 today. To wake up tomorrow trading bearish monthly map is never fun. Those days really suck. These transition days, if we lose this, it's like bear market territory for the next week. Like this is longer term bear market. Longer term bear market. The random challenge, I'm still holding on to the position. Betting on structure. Longer term bear market is here. This is bull. This is the edge. Oh, so excited with positive res. Everything looked good for like a hot minute. Everything was so perfect. Perfect for like a hot minute. Perfect for like 40 points on the S&P. Let's see if we can get it back. I don't know. It's on the edge of collapse right now. This is the edge again. They close out this whole freaking trade with no profit. The random challenge, unfortunately, I have to stay in.
The session was closed due to concurrent session. Yeah, okay, so it's like that might be using the markets here.
I did not add one to here yet. I'm gonna gauge it to see if I want to add.
I'm not going to go at bear because I don't feel really that confident. Maybe if I could do like an undershoot, you know, where it like
This is pretty bad if we lose this.
comes like down.
It's already under that, but you can when you have volatility, you can overshoot, which is fine. That's pretty much what you can expect as it's testing to overshoot.
Res is negative, but negative small on ES. NQ negative 30 basically.
The longer term bull structure though.
I do wish I can fill this again. Go up.
How much risk do I want to take?
This is sketchy right now.
Do I want to run the same trade with the 3 spot? The conditions improve here. From the last time, they did not. Like, conditions are worse. The first time we got here, it was like -16. Now it's -28. So here to here, these conditions are worse than they were here, which is not the best.
Hmm.
Let's make sure you're red on this trade. It was up $4 grand back
No,
there. Trading challenge, though.
yeah, could be an
Stay in the
ashtray
trade,
like
but I
DD Bam.
want to capitalize on the bigger run. I don't get a chance to get in, get out.
I didn't want to see beat the beast trading. What is? Oh, it's elite.
Nobody wants to see a bear market.
Elite trader funding. No, I don't want to. I don't want to sign in.
Went nuts. That hourly candle, that hourly reversal. We're still trading right above key pivots today.
I want to see the ETF account. Beat the beast one. All right, 65% off. Beginner and expert eval, 3 days. Okay, let me see this actually. Looks like markets are tanking. I don't know if there's another trade again on half cap because last time it was a really good trade. I don't know if it's the same. Beginner. Expectation 3. As low as $47 paid once.
Now I'm down on this trade. Boo! Okay, might as well just think about how I'm gonna handle this one.
I don't understand. Fast. Oh, static. Here we go. Is it the same thing?
Not so good. Red line here. Nasdaq tapping. That's the one place it can do something from. Now the question becomes, do I want to actually add to it here? Or wait for the reclaim? I'll set myself to lose about 3K on this trade. Which would be about down in here.
Should I just stop trading? Say.
I added here. I didn't add there.
Red's negative.
I'm waiting to see if it reclaims one more time. And I'll jump back in.
Might take a DD Band trade, but DD Band is very kind of close. I don't know if you can see this. 0.66.
We have a lot of room. I don't think we're going to go any lower than this, though. I don't think we are.
Because last time it did take a tap off DD Band.
Unless I'm just completely reading this market wrong. 206 on NASDAQ is about where that sort of next yellow line is.
But there's like nothing for another
S&P?
like 60 points, so.
Way down here.
Why does it do this early?
So on S&P, if we break here, it goes down to there. That's the gap fill all down in there.
I want to see more about this thing. Eval.
This reminds me of other bull days that have kind of tested that particular selling.
So how much is this? 44. 10K. 80.
Honestly, I think it holds.
What's 60% of 80?
We'll see
What is 60% of
I don't think
80?
we'll lose it.
48 bucks. Ooh.
I could be wrong. Nasdaq is tapping into that
2K profit target.
That's
Next round, 1K.
Tech is dumping enough today to create that, especially Nvidia. The problem is Nvidia has no support.
Days past 5, you have to YOLO this thing.
Why Nvidia gotta suck like that?
Okay, max drawdown 500, you have to YOLO this thing too. How many days?
That whole tech bubble FUD being spread around is scaring a lot of people.
87 monthly.
How far down do I want to hold this to right on that half gap? Problem is, it can bounce all the way to there and turn around.
Oh, hit DD band. 0.71. I take a small trade. I'll try a small trade. Wait, hold up. Let me check this real quick. I lost 2K. I feel like I should take this though. DD band A plus setup. This is sketchy. This is like confusing too. Should I wait for an undershoot?
I think it holds by the end of the day. Not sure how much drawdown I would take. Erase the
Did it fail, DD?
Whoosh fan let us down today.
Very strong bearish candles. I'll try. I feel like I should try a small one.
Order filled.
That's a really bad one. I feel like I should take that in our spot.
Order filled. Order filled.
Got a little over eager. Thinking this was going to reverse as quick as it would have. We have DD band here on S&P, which is the bounce, one of the bounce points.
Where do you take this though? You usually take this like a next pivot, but you can't because yellow's in the way. I'm just gonna do a small trade. I don't even. I was at 22. Oh yeah, because I got such a bad spot.
Do I want to add? On the overshoot of DD band.
Should I wait? Will it overshoot? Should I wait? What do I think of this? Okay, what do I think of this? I'm trying to think.
I could trade some S&P here.
What do I think of this? All right. 2, 6, 8, 30, or 29, which is like 60 bucks.
On S&P for DD band trade, and just hold on to the bag holding Nasdaq.
HQ did hit. I mean, half gap of NQ basically hit to bear. This is. It might overshoot.
Last attempt though at this one. Well, that would have been so nice had it rallied. Oh my gosh, that would have been great. This one's gonna turn into about a 5K loss if I end up being wrong. But the problem is if I have to stop out, I won't get a chance at trading the reclaim, which is my normal trading strategy. So if we lose DD band, I stop out, then I have to take the loss and I can't trade again until the dice rolls again. Which kind of sucks.
Just watch it sell.
Let's hang on to that S&P.
I have a very small stop here. I really don't have much high hopes for this. But if it does sell, take that. Like, it eventually just gotta stop. Like, it's gotta stop selling.
Right there. So basically, there are people trying to get out of this market. And even in bull, everything's nice, everything's steady, people are just like, fuck it, we're dumping. And nothing really could have predicted that, at least to this degree. This should have held, you know, and stayed inside of here, which is where it wanted to be, but somebody's liquidating something against all greater structure of this market. So this can get pretty gross. Man. that's a pretty shitty sort of. My Nasdaq I'm holding right down to here. I'll probably pull the plug on a. God, I'm gonna allow myself 10 points on S&P.
Order filled.
Down on this.
Yeah. All right.
Nasdaq.
I'm out.
Trim down to 1 on the Nasdaq. Just focus on S&P here. Volatility stuff because you do have to hold through a lot of drawdown to get a lot of play off of it. So that's the sad part about VIX above triple B. Normally gets like this sometimes.
I'm just gonna stop trading. I'm like down like 40 bucks, but it's not that bad.
So if we crash to 68.14, it's like 60 points a drop. So I think we're all right. Okay, there, very bad there. How exciting it was to see like a nice freaking dip to buy. I got the short trade last night. Just been up and down, getting chopped out. We hate getting chopped out. I'm not allowed to open ES.
Okay.
I can add. I'm still in the Nasdaq trade. I can still add to my position. I can choose any contract I want. I'm still in the long Nasdaq. The rules are I'm allowed.
All right, I'm gonna stop streaming. Pretty bad day. I'm glad I was able to make that 100 first, because that
it's allowed in the rules.
didn't make me lose all of it, but I'm still down like 40 bucks. But oh well. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna see if I can get a video out soon on MHP and HP. But yeah, thanks for watching.